G'day everyone, it's Chriso from Down Under, Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I've been a tiler for 35 years and I'd like to show you the correct way how to do a bathroom. If there's anything that you want to know, if I haven't explained things properly, just leave a comment and ask. You know, how do you do something? I'll gladly let you know. I've been doing this 35 years and it's you know, I don't learn the first time sort of thing, but I know what I'm doing now, that's for sure. So stick with me and we'll carry on with this floor. I'll just turn the camera around. So we've got the shower done with all the correct falls. If you were watching a few minutes ago, I was showing you the correct way to do it. It's all bedded. I slurried. My slurry was waterproof in the shower. Out here, my slurry is glue. Slurry is another word for sticking your mud to the floor. You can either use water and cement, which is good. I use glue. I sometimes use water and cement, and I use in the showers my waterproof. It's the third coat, and it's just that last bit of love that I give to my shower. Let's give that a little bit of a tap down. Yeah, so you get your mud spread out so before your glue dries. That's the biggie. Once you've got your slurry covered, relax. Freestanding bath will be going in here. A 1500 freestanding. I've allowed 1600, so it's 50 mil either end, which is heaps. Because we are going for a bigger shower, but yeah, all good. I'll just mix up some more mud and I'll be back to you in a few minutes.